It's not about reminding yourself it's the paradigm. It's about choosing which paradigm do you want to have for people. What paradigm do you want to have for people? That should be your fundamental question, right? Like, what paradigm do I want to have for people? Do I want a paradigm of mercy and gentleness and this and that? Or do I want to have the paradigm of, you know, you're wrong and proving people wrong and telling them why I'm right and giving them the evidence of why? Like, which paradigm do you want to have? Which paradigm do you want to have? You know, and that's the kind of thing. And that's what I'm saying to you. I've worked with people who have been like serious drug addicts. Yeah. And even some of the brothers I worked with, they said to me that the reason why they changed is because there was a really good brother who stuck with them throughout the time. And eventually they gave up the drugs and they stopped doing all that because this brother was understanding and this brother was with me and he was there for me and this. And that's what they say, bro. What they don't say is, yeah, that brother who kept saying you're haram, this is wrong, because of him I stopped drugs. I've never heard that. Sorry. Like, it's always understanding and he was there for me and he helped me.